So I am back through the parking lot and I'm joining up with the Art Loeb Trail. Should be about a half a mile up to the summit of Black Balsam Knob.
Having already hiked to Sam Knob, I made my way down the Art Loeb Spur Trail, which is rated as difficult by the U.S. Forest Service. The trail climbs 160 feet over 6/10 of a mile and offers views of up to 70 miles when conditions are clear.
I'm getting to the level where I'm finally starting to get some views out here to the outside. So this is the Art Loeb Spur Trail that I just came up, and we have intersected the Art Loeb Trail. Beautiful view here. Evidence of a recent fire behind this little windshield rock here.
Excellent campsites can be found, not made, along the Art Loeb Trail, but remember, this is a fragile grassy bald. Avoid trampling vegetation, leaving trash, or enlarging fire rings. Also, remember that bear canisters are required in the Black Balsam, Shining Rock, and Sam's Knob areas.
So we have some more ridge walking here between Black Balsam Knob and Tennent Mountain, and it is just continuing to be beautiful with expansive views on both sides. Starting to cool off here as we're closing in on about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The trail is definitely much quieter back here between Black Balsam Knob and Tennent Mountain than it is up on Black Balsam Knob itself, where it's pretty well trafficked. Looks like we're getting close. Looking back in the direction that I just came from. What's up?
You waiting for the sunset?
I don't know, I'm gonna wait that long.
Yeah.
The color in here is just beautiful. The reds, the vibrant greens. Blues of the mountains in the background.
Tennent Mountain, Black Balsam Knob, and Sam Knob are a part of the Great Balsam subrange of the Blue Ridge Mountain. Black Balsam Knob is the second tallest peak in the Great Balsams, Richland Balsam being the tallest at 6,410 feet.
I headed back towards Black Balsam Knob, and you can see down there in the distance the parking lot that I came up from. Just past the summit of Black Balsam Knob. Back to the Art Loeb Spur Trail. I sat up at that last viewpoint for quite a while, just soaking it in. It's been an absolutely magnificent day out here. I'm back on the Art Loeb Spur Trail. Make my way the last little bit back down to the parking lot. Concluding the day here just before sunset. Making the short walk back to the vehicle.
You can check out some of my other adventures here, and hopefully, one day soon, I'll see you out on trail.